Happy Chinese New Year. I've had to restart this video about 3 times because I keep fucking up what I'm saying. But anyway, I wrote a few things down this time because I do know what's going on, but my head can't keep it straight and I start blabbling. Kind of like I do now, but worse. So, Chinese New Year. It's also called Spring Festival. It lasts for about 15 days until the Lantern Festival. And during this time, there's a lot going around, right? The entire country is on the move doing various activities, and it's basically a time where everybody comes together. Families come together, have a big reunion, which is basically like a ritual. And also during this time, they fight off their monsters, their oni, so to speak. Is that Japanese? I'm pretty sure it's Chinese. I'm sorry if I fucked up there. I'm not restarting the video again because it's gonna drive me mad. But yeah, so with the beginning of this new Chinese year, it is also now a new animal year for astrology. And this year, that is the year of the snake. So those of you who are, in the snake astrology, this is going to be your year. As they say, this is going to be the year where everything will supposedly go right for you, or be your thing. I hope so anyway for you. So yeah, if you're wondering why I made this video or why I want to make this video despite the fact that I'm not Chinese, it's because I really am interested in all different kind of places and communities, and I cannot find the word right now. Cultures. I'm sorry, cultures. It's a really big thing about me that I love a lot of different cultures. I love to see all the different kinds of people and the different ways that they have, the different traditions, the different styles, the different way that they do things. And so this is one of the most interesting thing, especially considering the fact that it's about 1/6 of the entire world population that celebrates this. So I felt it was a really fun video to make. It is a short video because I'm not gonna stay on for too long. I do still have a lot to do, but also because I don't have that much to talk about. I don't know as much more, but yeah, it's a really interesting holiday. It's a really interesting factual thing to witness, and unfortunately I'll never be able to truly witness it unless I go to China. But it is what it is. But I'm very happy to tell you a few things that I did know. So moving on from this, I do want to respond to one comment. I was asked the camera, if I'm using the camera that I got for Christmas. It's difficult. The answer is yes. I'm still filming with my phone right now. It's a Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and cannot say I'm too happy with it, but I'm also not too sad about it. I mean, obviously the quality could be a shit ton better. Sorry for cussing, that was not the intent. But yes, I am trying to use my new camera, but it is very difficult. The settings are difficult for me anyway. It's a little strange. It's a little bit weird to use that camera, but also it's a little bit of a learning process as to which settings I should use. And yeah, so it is a little bit of a work in progress, but right now I'm just still learning how to use it before I will actually make YouTube videos with it and then upload it. But it is my intent to use it in full at some point. Also, one of the most difficult things is the fact that I don't have a tripod for it, and it is a little bit of a heavy camera. So the tripod I'm using right now for my phone cannot hold it, as well as the fact that it doesn't have the top part that it would need for this. Well, top part, I mean, it's a screw that you need to screw in, but this tripod doesn't have the right one. It's a different millimeter, centimeter. I'm really bad when it comes to centimeters, millimeters, and all things when it comes to building things, or yeah, it's hilarious. Even when I play a game on my PC and it's about building, it will never be fully straight. It will never be fully right. Like, I can do it. I tried. I try hard. I mean, I can show you my build at some point. I don't really know how to capture my screen on my PC. If I did, I would probably have a lot more interesting videos, but I don't. And I would probably make a gaming channel at some point, but right now that's nowhere in my near future. This is my first channel, and this is what I'm gonna keep it at right now. But yes, so thank you for your interest. I do appreciate it. Yeah, I will maybe put the specs of the camera in the description if you would be interested in that, or I'll place it in a comment if I can. What was it again? I think it's a Sony EV-E10. I think it was. It's a camera of about 800 euro. I don't know what it is in dollar. But yeah, I got that for Christmas secondhand because, well, I wasn't gonna ask for a new one at this point because new it was over 800, and that was just too much. So yeah, I hope this was a bit of an entertaining video. I know it's a bit different from my normal videos. Like I said, I had to restart this video a couple of times because I did kind of mess it up a couple of times, and I know I messed up in this video as well, but the other videos were a lot worse, so I'm gonna go with this one. Otherwise, if I have to restart again, it's just gonna make me insane, and I'll probably at some point give up, which is not my point. That's the thing when you try to plan things with a chaotic brain. But anyways, this is it for this video. Have a good night. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. See you.